Welcome to Azanance, a revolutionary platform that harnesses the power of decentralized finance to create equitable financial opportunities for everyone. At Azanance, we believe in breaking down barriers and providing access to financial services that were once limited to a select few. Our platform allows users to lend, borrow, and trade digital assets seamlessly, all while maintaining full control over their funds. By utilizing smart contracts, we ensure that transactions are secure, transparent, and executed automatically without the need for intermediaries. Join us as we pave the way for a future where financial independence and innovation are accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. With Azanance, users can earn interest on their deposits, empowering them to make their money work harder without relying on traditional banks. Our commitment to security and privacy ensures that your financial data remains yours, protected by cutting-edge encryption technology. At Azanance, we foster a vibrant community where users can share knowledge, strategies, and experiences to enhance their financial literacy. Together, we are creating a decentralized ecosystem that not only revolutionizes finance, but also encourages collaboration and innovation among its members. NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, each NFT is distinct, making them ideal for digital art and collectibles. The process of buying or selling NFTs often involves online marketplaces specifically designed for these digital assets. Creators can tokenize their digital works, allowing them to retain royalties on future sales through smart contracts. NFTs have gained significant popularity, attracting artists, musicians, and even brands looking to connect with their audiences in new ways. Critics argue that the environmental impact of blockchain technology used for NFTs is a concern due to high energy consumption. Despite the criticisms, many proponents believe that NFTs represent a revolutionary shift in how we think about ownership and value in the digital age. As the market evolves, it becomes essential for buyers and creators to navigate the legal and copyright implications associated with NFTs. The future of NFTs holds potential for innovative uses such as virtual real estate and tokenized experiences expanding beyond traditional art and collectibles. Smart contracts revolutionize the way agreements are made by executing automatically when predetermined conditions are met, eliminating the need for middlemen. By utilizing blockchain technology, smart contracts ensure transparency and security as every transaction is recorded on an immutable ledger. This innovation not only reduces the time and costs associated with traditional contract processing, but also minimizes human error through automation. Smart contracts have found applications across various industries, including finance, real estate, and supply chain management, showcasing their versatility. The ability to create trustless environments empowers parties to engage in transactions with confidence, knowing that the code will enforce the agreed-upon terms. Moreover, the programmability of smart contracts allows for complex agreements to be customized, flexibly catering to the specific needs of all parties involved. As the adoption of smart contracts continues to grow, regulatory frameworks are evolving to ensure that these digital agreements are legally recognized and enforceable. Layer 2. Solutions are essential innovations designed to enhance blockchain networks by improving scalability and reducing transaction fees. These secondary frameworks not only boost transaction speed, but also enable a higher volume of transactions per second on networks like Ethereum. Among the most notable Layer 2 solutions are optimistic rollups and ZK rollups, each offering unique advantages for developers and users alike. Optimistic rollups assume transactions are valid by default, which allows for faster processing but requires fraud proofs for dispute resolution. In contrast, ZK rollups use zero-knowledge proofs to ensure the accuracy of transactions, providing a higher level of security and privacy. Both solutions significantly enhance Ethereum's capabilities, making it more efficient and cost-effective for decentralized applications, dApps. As more projects adopt Layer 2 solutions, the Ethereum ecosystem is evolving rapidly to support a growing user base and increasing demand for decentralized financial services. Ultimately, Layer 2 solutions are paving the way for a more scalable and accessible blockchain future, addressing the limitations of traditional Layer 1 networks. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology by eliminating reliance on centralized servers and giving users more control over their data. Built on blockchain technology, dApps ensure greater transparency as all transactions and data are recorded in an immutable ledger. Security is significantly enhanced in dApps as they are less vulnerable to hacks and data breaches compared to traditional applications. Moreover, dApps empower users by allowing them to retain ownership of their data, avoiding the pitfalls of centralized control. The open-source nature of dApps encourages collaboration and innovation, enabling developers from around the world to contribute and improve these applications. Additionally, dApps can operate without intermediaries, which reduces transaction fees and increases efficiency in various operations. As the adoption of dApps continues to grow, they are becoming integral to various sectors, including finance, gaming, and supply chain management. In conclusion, the rise of decentralized applications represents a significant shift towards greater autonomy, security, and transparency in our digital lives.